So if you're looking for an eye massager that allows you to go ahead and relax throughout the day, and you want to be able to play music and it's well made, well, what we're going to do in this review, I'm going to go over the build quality of this. We're going to go through all the different features. We're going to talk about all the controls and what it comes with. So when you do receive your eye massager, you are going to get just this little bag here to put everything in. It is kind of has like a little velvet feel to it. We've got a couple little tassels here to go ahead and store your eye massager in here. And then we've also got a charging cord. Now the port to go ahead and charge this, the eye massager, is right up through here, and it generally takes right around 2 to 3 hours to completely charge it up. So I really do appreciate the brand sending this to me, because I love just the way it looks. It has a clamshell design, so it just folds really small. So that's why it fits in that bag really easily. And just the overall quality of it, you can see we've got some stitching all up through here. Everything looks really nice. And this is all ABS plastic. Now it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels really nice and well made. Of course, on the back side, we do have our headband. So it is adjustable. And you can see it's got a nice good stretch to it. Now on the inside where your eyes would be, this is real easy to clean as it's up against your face. So if you get any makeup, sweat, things like that, you can definitely wipe that off. And then on the front, you can see here we've got the gray offset with the white. And then we've got our controls here, which are pretty easy to use. It's got a lot of features, so let's go ahead and get into it. So we've got our controls right here at the front. We've got our power, and some of these do have multi-functions. This adjusts the pressure, that also adjusts the volume. So when you turn it on, we're going to hear voice prompts. It's going to go right away into your music. There are actually 4 different music selections that are internal to this, but it also has Bluetooth. Right here, it's going to say Bluetooth. And if you look at your smart device, you're going to see Burrki on your Bluetooth availability. You can go ahead and press that. You can go ahead and connect to it right away. To change through the music tracks, you can go ahead and long press the speaker symbol right here. And it's going to go ahead and cycle through all those. And if you want to, you can actually just turn everything off too. Now there's actually 5 different modes through this. And as you press the power button, it's going to cycle through everything. But I wanted to show you that some of these lights actually turn off. Like for instance, that is the heat light. And as you press the button, you'll see the heat came back on. You can that one turns off, which is actually the pressure. So that gives you a visual of what's going on besides the voice prompts. One great thing about the air pressure adjustment is you're going to feel the air pressure go right through here. There's actually little bellows in there that are inflating and deflating the whole time. So you're going to feel this all across your face and your temples. And you can actually adjust this anywhere from soft, moderate, strong, or you can turn the whole thing off too if you don't want that on there. Now, since this does have 5 modes, what you're going to do is you're going to press the power button and you can cycle through all these things from air pressure, heat, the massage. You can have all 3, just some of them, none of them. I mean, it's real easy to do. And then on the back side, you can see this is actually inflated quite a bit. What it's doing right now, it's inflating different areas at different tempos. And then the heat is something that I really wanted to show you, that it does heat up really well. I've got a temperature gun here. Now off to the sides, we don't have much heat, but right around here where your nose and your eyes are going to be, it can get up pretty warm to right around anywhere between 100 to 110 and 12 degrees. So it feels really nice on my face while the massage is going and all the heat. So when I put the eye massager on, of course, I'm just going to adjust the strap right through here. And you can see it covers my face completely. I cannot see any light whatsoever. I can feel the heat up around my nose or up towards the inside of my eyes. And then with the music going, whether I'm using the music from my eye massager or I'm using Bluetooth through my phone, I mean, it's really very relaxing. I mean, this would make a great present, whether it's for men or women. I mean, you name it, really any type of holiday is perfect. I mean, it almost looks like a VR headset, doesn't it? I mean, it's just really nice. I love all the colors. It's just really nice and soft. Super easy to clean too. And this display makes it easier to use too. Hope you found this review helpful.